The incessant rain continues to be a challenge, but the NDRF, SDRF defense teams are continuing undeterred. The Air Force too is distributing relief material to those stranded. A dog squad is also helping looking for buried. As the death toll continues to climb, politics over the catastrophe has escalated.
That is politics. I am being sent to here not play politics, to inquire about the need of the people and help them. And I am not going to do any political activities here. From the side of PM, I am instructed that to do help the people and whatever is needed, report there.
People are being shifted to safer ground on ropeways. A makeshift bridge is being assembled for easier access.
No,
One
yes.
is definitely the weather conditions.
Yes. Weather is not in our favor. I have told you.
Right.
So I pray to God that no raining
Yes.
make here.
Mundkai, the epicenter of the landslides, bore remnants of the disaster that wiped away several homes, villages and lives. Several plantation workers have been rescued, but many bodies were also found. For the Kerala government, is this a lesson learnt?
So, the depth of the issue is very wide and larger. So, we have to face all these one by one, and we have to protect the life and help the injured. Then we have to give proper medical facilities, food, etc., etc.
Red alert continues to get issued in this region. With heavy rains lashing this part of town, most of the relief teams are worried that this could trigger another landslide. As water levels continue to rise, there are hundreds who still are lying buried in the depths. Challenges continue to mount. With camera person Govind, Pratibha Raman at Wayanad for NDTV. Heavy rains continue to lash Wayanad as the NDRF, SDRF as well as the defense teams are all working in sync to continue with their relief and rescue efforts. Now this is the place where the bridge had collapsed with the third landslide that took place in this region on that day. And this is a makeshift bridge that has been arranged so that they could reach out to those who have been isolated in the other part of Wayanad there. In fact, that is where you have the epicenter of the landslide, where vast devastation has taken place. But to reach out to those stranded, they were using ropeways all this while. But right now, they've decided to have this makeshift bridge so that the JCBs could actually be moved. Other equipment could also be easily moved to the other part, where there are hundreds who are lying stranded, hundreds of bodies that are yet to be recovered there. So all of them working in sync, and the inclement weather conditions not helping either. Challenges continue to mount because it is going to be a Herculean task in terms of finding the bodies. As well as another challenge is that most of them are wondering that this could trigger another landslide, and if that happens, that is going to be extremely catastrophical situation that they would have to deal with. And that several of the ministers have also been visiting this region, trying to lead the rescue activities here. Most of the ministers from other states also who have extended help. Also, the Prime Minister who has personally spoken to the Chief Minister here. The Chief Minister himself at the State Disaster Management Office trying to monitor the relief operations here. In fact, it is going to be quite a task in terms of assembling this bridge and making sure that it actually ends up working for the betterment in terms of reaching out to those stranded. Over 150 people are considered dead, are confirmed dead at this point in time. In fact, There are JCBs that are also trying to be moved here so that it could remove all the slush as well as the flood waters there to try and see if there are more bodies that are buried underneath.